I'm Taylor, and today we are gonna do something so fun. So I recently started following this Instagram account where they make natural dyes, and they have the coolest videos on how to make natural dye, which I think is perfect for right now because we're not really supposed to be going out a ton, especially here in Arizona where I live. And one of the dyes that they make, they use avocados, which you might think that that would make like a green dye, but no, it's like the prettiest dusty rose pinky color. I'm so excited to see if this turns out. I've never done this before, so we're gonna be going on this journey together. How many of you have heard of dyeing fabric with avocados? Comment down below. Tie-dye is super in, which I'm loving right now. So I got these two shirts and I am going to attempt to dye them using the skins and the pit of an avocado. Well, 6 avocados. So let's get started.
You got oh, don't you know?
Okay, so I got these two 100% cotton white t-shirts, and I am going to use our dye. First, I'm gonna get these damp though. So I'm gonna get them all wet, wring them out, and then I'm gonna put them in this bowl, and then I'm just gonna pour the dye over them. So I hope it works.
You got oh, don't you know?
I love it. What do you guys think? If you liked this video, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and like it and comment and do all the things. Also, follow me over on Instagram. I do a lot of behind the scenes and different tips throughout the week, mini projects I do over on Instagram. It's a fun community, so come join me over there at Secondhand Style Guide. I'll see you later.